Hi my loves and hi my peasants. You're watching Learn from the King. We're going to start off with Pure Mineral Cachet Sereness Concealer, and I'm going to use that on all of my black spots or flawed areas on my face. But to be honest, I'm flawless, so what am I even saying? Then I'm going to take my Jessie's Girl brush. Ooh, Jessie's Girl, okay.
No, I wish that I had Jessie's Girl. I wish that I was Jessie.
My mom got this brush from TJ Maxx, but what I like about it is it's like a beauty blender but on a stick, and it makes it very easy for you to blend out parts of your face. So afterwards, my face is all one tone, but it's pasty and a little bit whitish. So I go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover and I apply some to my face. I usually just put enough to cover all places on my face. So just use however much it takes for you to cover all places of your face, but don't overdo it or it's gonna look like, it's gonna look caked on, you know what I'm saying? So then I'm taking NK's Auto Lip and just pretending like it doesn't even say lip on it. Like we're just gonna apply that to my eyebrows, you know, because that's what we do out here. So I'm going around my eyebrows on the edges to make like a straighter line, and I'm also making the end of my eyebrow pointy. Right here you can see I'm doing some pointy stuff, you know, and then I'm also drawing around the top of my eyebrow as well, extending it all the way out to the edge. I don't add any inside of the middle. I use the brush and brush up the makeup that I already applied from the edges into the eyebrow, like into the middle of the eyebrow. I don't add any on the inside because I feel like it looks very fake when you draw your eyebrows all the way through. It just looks like some big old fur on your face, like Chewbacca. Like, please stop. We're going to go back in with the same concealer from before, and we're going to become barbers because we're going to straighten out the hairline, okay? So we're going to straighten up our eyebrows with the concealer. So you're going to try to draw like sharp lines to make your eyebrows look really neat. Then I'm taking this small brush, just use any small brush, I don't know what this one is called, and I'm blending the concealer into the rest of my face so it's not just like white stuff around my eyebrows. I hate when people leave their eyebrows like that. But you're not going to blend close to your eyebrows or close to the line that you made. You're going to blend around. I hope that makes sense. Then we're going to add some highlighter.
Are you sure about that?
And we're just gonna go all the way down my nose and that little ball point on my nose as well. And then we're also putting some on my cheek in like an oval pattern. And I'm also going to be applying some at the top of my eyebrows, but only on the my forehead too. And the top of my eyebrows, but only on the sides, not really towards the center of my eyebrows. Then I'm taking a brush, don't know what it's called, and just blending it out. Also, make sure your brushes are clean before you're blending, because then you'll be spreading other random colors all over your face. So I don't know what this eyeshadow thing is called because it has no name on it anywhere, and my mom had it since Georgia. It's probably mixed with spider tentacles, but I'm adding the darkest pink shade to my lids, and then I'm taking L'Oreal's Lumi highlight and putting that in the corner of my eye. I'm sorry I didn't get this on camera, but I added the lipstick Infallible Paints Metallic by L'Oreal in the color 330. Then I'm taking the Infallible L'Oreal setting spray, and you know we always gotta mace ourselves after we're done putting on the makeup. And that's how to train your dog. So this is my face before the wig, and that's just the makeup in the end.